Welcome back to the Watch List. I'm Caroline Woods. Right now we're going to take a closer look at the EV market. For that, let's welcome in Ali Vezvaei, Chairman of Next e.GO. Ali, thanks so much for joining us and congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having us.
I should note that you went public today on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol e.GOX. So just let's start by getting an overview of your company. We're hearing it's the iPhone on wheels. Fill us in.
Sure. Look, the story of e.GO is a story of innovation, technology, disruption, with focus on practicality and capital efficiency. And to take the analogy that you rightfully used, it's a smartphone on four wheels because that's the future of affordable electromobility. What we've seen in the market so far is the growth of electromobility becoming mainstream. And now as that becomes mainstream, the focus will be primarily on execution, capital efficiency, and also delivering to cost. And this is what we've been primarily focused on, trying to go back and make sure that we reimagine the production technology and try to create disruption on that front by taking the cost out, reducing capex, creating flexibility, and accelerating time to market. On the other side, we take advantage of a different or unique set of material selection, which are inspired by the aviation industry, to take advantage of lightweight, more durability, recyclability, all of which aligns well with the future of this sector.
Okay, so tell us, how many vehicles are already on the road? Where are they, and how much do they cost?
We've already produced more than 1,000 vehicles which are on the road, primarily in Europe. In Europe, you can actually pre-order them for just shy of 25,000 euros, excluding any subsidies, and that allows us to actually cater to the mass market and deliver value for money to our customers.
So when you talk about catering to the mass market, are there any plans to enter the U.S. market? It seems very city-friendly in terms of the look of these cars. Potentially, will I see them in New York City at all?
Absolutely. Our passion and our vision from the outset has been to provide smart and practical solutions for the urban environment. U.S. and the New York City, as an example that you use, is a very, very good potential target for our cars. And the beauty of our solution is it's not just a car we want to export, it's the production technology and the production facility that comes with it. The beauty of our digital production solution at the back of our Internet of Production is that we can actually replicate, or for the lack of any better term, copy-paste our microfactories for a fraction of the cost in a very short span of time from a country to another, and therefore not only brings the car to US, but also brings the production facility and the jobs associated with them. And this is what makes us very excited. And of course, particularly looking at the environment in US with the supports in different government programs, as well as the very, very solid and robust and growing market, US will be definitely on our radar as the next stop.
Okay, so what sort of target numbers are you looking at, going from 1,000 on the road to what? And what's the biggest obstacle to scaling or really growing your business at this point?
Each of our factories are designed and sort of standardized to produce 30,000 cars in a three-shift setting per year. So if you just simply look at the number of factories, which first one in Germany is already built and in production, the next one in North Macedonia nearing the start of construction, and there are a couple of more on the way. That basically gives you roughly the indication as to what is the overall production targets that we're trying to achieve. In terms of what are the challenges, actually what are the next steps, is simply prosecuting our business plan. The good news is we have the factory, we have the product, and our focus will be primarily on start of production and ramp up.
Ali, Elon Musk raised some red flags with his cautious commentary earlier this week about the higher rate environment here in the U.S., making it difficult to buy cars. They're talking about, trying to bring down the cost of vehicles to make it easier, which of course hits margins. But it's very much a kind of a macro story. So I guess how concerning is the current macro picture to you right now?
Elon is absolutely spot on this point. However, this is something that we've been preparing for, given regards to the choice of technology and the capital efficiency that comes with our end-to-end production solution. We basically have been always trying to look at an environment in which the customers continuously look for value for money, whether it's under the pressure of increasing interest rates or inflationary environment. And therefore, if you look at how we build and design our factories and cars, they are primarily focused on capital light production facilities and very unique and very disruptive production solutions and material, from battery to exterior to the use of polymers and aluminum and so on and so forth, in order to make sure that we cut costs out of the process and be able to deliver to our customers a car which is affordable, practical, and fit for purpose. So as far as we're concerned, the pressure in the market, while applicable to all of us in the industry, is something that we are accommodating with our unique production solution.
All right, well, we have to leave it there, but certainly look forward to seeing these iPhone on wheels in the city here sometime soon. Ali Vezvaei, chairman of e.GO, thanks so much for joining the show.
Thank you for having me. Thank you so much.
And congratulations again.